Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a high-tech paradise? Today, we're exploring 15 ultra-luxurious gadgets designed to bring convenience, elegance, and a touch of innovation to your culinary space. Trust me, these are the gadgets that'll make you feel like a 5-star chef in your own home. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We bring you the latest in tech every week, so stay tuned and check the description for links to each of these gadgets. Gadget 1. AI-powered smart refrigerator. This is no ordinary fridge. With cutting-edge AI, it tracks everything inside and can suggest recipes based on what's available. Plus, it alerts you when you're running low on essentials, so no more last-minute trips to the store. With a sleek touchscreen panel and customizable temperature zones, this fridge is practically a personal assistant for your kitchen. Gadget 2. Automatic pan stirrer with timer. Ever felt chained to your pot because you need to keep stirring? The automatic pan stirrer is here to save the day. Just set it up in your pot, choose your speed, and go about your other tasks. It's a hands-free solution for perfectly mixed sauces, soups, and stews, freeing up time for the rest of your recipe prep. Gadget 3. App-controlled smart oven. This smart oven takes cooking to a whole new level. With app control, you can preheat it remotely, choose from dozens of cooking presets, and get real-time alerts. You can literally keep an eye on your roast from your phone. It's precision cooking, redefined, and ideal for anyone with a busy schedule. Gadget 4. Motion sensor touchless trash can keep your kitchen germ-free with this motion sensor trash can. A simple wave of your hand opens the lid, so no more touching messy surfaces. It also seals in odors, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh while adding a futuristic touch to your space. Gadget 5. Luxury espresso maker with smart features, calling all coffee aficionados. This luxury espresso machine doesn't just brew coffee, it creates a coffee experience. Grind beans, steam milk, and enjoy barista quality espresso at the push of a button. It's perfect for anyone who loves their coffee strong, fresh, and made to perfection. Gadget 6. Wi-Fi connected smart meat thermometer. For those who love grilling and roasting, this Wi-Fi connected meat thermometer is a must-have. Monitor your meat's temperature in real time on your phone and say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals. Whether you're smoking brisket or roasting chicken, you'll always have the perfect results. Gadget 7. High-tech water purifier with monitoring your water quality matters. And this purifier keeps it pristine. With real-time monitoring, it not only filters out contaminants, but also lets you know when maintenance is due. It's a blend of health and convenience wrapped in sleek design, ideal for any health-conscious household. Gadget 8. Motion sensing LED cabinet lights. Brighten up your kitchen and add some elegance with motion sensing LED lights. They turn on as soon as you open the cabinet, illuminating everything inside and adding a touch of luxury. It's practical and stylish, especially for evening cooking or midnight snacks. Gadget 9. Multifunction food processor with digital controls. This isn't your average food processor. With digital controls and multiple attachments, it chops, blends, kneads, and slices effortlessly. Whether you're making sauces, dough, or chopped salads, this gadget has the power and precision to handle it all. Gadget 10. Countertop smart composter. Cut down on kitchen waste with this countertop composter. Using smart technology, it quickly breaks down food scraps into compost, reducing waste while giving you a sustainable way to enrich your garden. It's an eco-friendly upgrade that turns waste into valuable compost. Gadget 11. Fully automatic vacuum sealer. This automatic vacuum sealer keeps your food fresh for way longer, preserving flavor and nutrients by removing all air from storage bags. Perfect for batch cooking or storing meats and vegetables without worrying about freezer burn. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to fresh flavors. Gadget 12, high-powered blender with pre-programmed settings. From silky smoothies to steaming hot soups, this powerful blender tackles it all. With pre-programmed settings for a variety of recipes, you can create perfectly blended drinks, sauces, and more. All with a touch of a button. Every kitchen needs a blender like this for ultimate versatility. Gadget 13, intelligent multi-cooker. Meet the multi-cooker that practically cooks by itself. With smart AI adjustments, this device can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and even bake. You just add the ingredients, and it takes care of the rest, adjusting time and temperature for perfect results. It's a chef's secret weapon in one compact machine. Gadget 14, smart scale with app-enabled recipe suggestions. Precision is key in cooking, and this smart scale takes it to a whole new level. Sync it with your smartphone for exact measurements, nutritional information, and even recipe suggestions based on what you're weighing. Ideal for anyone looking to eat healthier or perfect their recipes. Gadget 15, indoor herb garden with automated lights and watering. Why buy herbs when you can grow them right in your kitchen? This automated herb garden has built-in LED lights and self-watering technology, so your herbs get the right amount of light and moisture without any hassle. Fresh herbs have never been so easy to keep within reach. And there you have it, 15 luxury gadgets that can totally elevate your kitchen game. Imagine having all of this tech at your fingertips. Your cooking experience will never be the same. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tech finds. All the links to these gadgets are in the description below, so check them out and start transforming your kitchen today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.